Google Ads call-only campaign step-by-step how to create ones. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Setiawan Zeni TV. Today we're gonna talk about Google Ads call-only campaign. Google Ads call-only campaign. Google Ads call-only campaign Hindi. Google Ads call-only campaign Tamil. Google Ads call-only campaign 2023. Google AdWords call-only ads campaign. Create call-only campaign Google Ads. Google Ad Manager 360. Google Ads budget per day. Google Ads marketing. Run Google Ads. Setiawan Zeni TV. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on setting up a call-only campaign in Google Ads. Step 1. Sign in to your Google Ads account. Go to ads.google.com and sign in to your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Step 2. Create a new campaign. Click on the plus campaign button to create a new campaign. Select the new campaign option. Step 3. Choose your campaign goal. Select the campaign goal that aligns with your advertising objective. For a call-only campaign, choose the sales goal and select phone calls as the conversion action. Step 4. Select campaign settings. Fill in the campaign settings as follows. Campaign type, select search. Networks, choose where you want your ads to appear. By default, Google Search Network is selected. Locations, specify the geographic locations where you want your ads to show. Language, choose the language of your target audience. Bidding, select your bidding strategy. You can start with manual CPC, cost per click bidding. Step 5. Create ad groups. Create one or more ad groups within your campaign. Ad groups allow you to organize your ads and keywords. Click on the plus add group button to create a new ad group. Step 6. Set ad group settings. Set the ad group settings as follows. Ad group name. Give your ad group a descriptive name. Default bid. Specify the maximum amount you are willing to pay for a click on your ad. This is your maximum CPC bid. Ad rotation. Choose how you want Google to rotate your ads. Step 7. Create a call-only ad. Click on the plus add button within your ad group to create a new ad. Select the call-only ad option. Step 8. Fill in ad details. Fill in the ad details as follows. Headline. Enter a catchy headline that will grab attention. Phone number. Enter the phone number you want your customers to call. Description. Write a compelling description that encourages users to call your business. Display URL. Enter the URL that will be displayed in the ad. This can be different from your actual landing page URL. Verification URL. Specify a landing page URL where Google can verify your phone number. Step 9. Set up tracking. Set up call tracking if you want to track and measure calls generated by your ads. You can use Google forwarding numbers or your own call tracking solution. Step 10. Save and review. Review your campaign settings and add details to ensure everything is correct. Click Save to create your call-only campaign. Google Ads Call-only campaign. Google Ads Call-only campaign Hindi. Google Ads Call-only campaign Tamil. Google Ads Call-only campaign 2023. Google AdWords Call-only ads campaign. Create call-only campaign Google Ads. Google Ad Manager 360. Google Ads budget per day. Google Ads marketing. Run Google Ads. Setiawan, Zeni TV. Here are some additional tips to help you optimize your Google Ads call-only campaign. Choose relevant keywords. Select keywords that are closely related to your business and the services you offer. Use keyword research tools to identify relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Test different ad variations. Create multiple ad variations with different headlines and descriptions to see which ones perform best. A/B test your ads to identify the most effective messaging and optimize your campaign accordingly. Monitor call quality. Track the quality of calls you receive by analyzing call duration, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Identify any trends or patterns and make adjustments to your targeting or ad copy as needed to attract higher quality calls. Set bid adjustments. Adjust your bids based on the performance of different demographics, devices, or locations. If certain segments are generating more valuable calls, increase your bids for those segments to ensure your ads receive more visibility. Google Ads Call-only campaign. Google Ads Call-only campaign Hindi. Google Ads Call-only campaign Tamil. Google Ads Call-only campaign 2023. Google AdWords Call-only ads campaign. Create call-only campaign Google Ads. Google Ad Manager 360. Google Ads budget per day. Google Ads marketing. Run Google Ads. Setiawan, Zeni TV. Thank you for joining me again. Thank you for joining me again, and I hope to see you in our next video.